If you're experiencing severe breakage in your hair, here's what you're going to want to do. Number one, you need to figure out, why is your hair breaking? What has caused this? Is your hair dehydrated? Has it been over chemically processed? Are you using heat on it with no heat protection on a regular basis? You're really going to have to think hard and maybe keep a hair diary, whatever you can do to kind of nail down what is causing your hair breakage. Because once you know why your hair is breaking, you're going to have a much easier time fixing it. But here are some general products that you could use that are good for pretty much any reason that your hair is breaking. Definitely try some K18 and Olaplex 0 and number 3. You can do those on different days. They are both treatments. Neither of those is moisturizing or hydrating. It's not going to smooth your hair or make it shiny. Both of those are bond building products that build your bonds in completely different ways from each other. And neither of them, despite what some people like to say, are protein treatments. I advise staying away from protein treatments and shampoos, strengthening, keratin, things like that, unless you know that that's the problem. Because sometimes the problem is people have too much keratin in their hair, not that they're lacking it. And too much, when you use more, is just going to worsen the problem. Hair with too much protein breaks and is brittle, just like hair that has not enough protein. So unless you know for sure that your hair needs more protein, I advise staying away from protein products. So get yourself the K18, get yourself some Olaplex. Make sure that you're using a good professional quality hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Get yourself a good quality hydrating mask. Get yourself a clarifying shampoo and use that once a week to maybe twice a month so that you can remove any buildup from your hair and scalp so that those hydrating products and those bonding products can penetrate your hair really well. And most importantly, be patient. Most of my clients who are on a hair healing journey, it will take them 3 to 5 months to see any significant changes that feel tangible to them. And it will take them 6 months to a year, or sometimes even more, to feel like their hair has really turned around and become exceptionally better than it used to be. The biggest mistake I see people make when they're trying to make their hair healthier is simply trying one thing for 2-3 weeks, not seeing major improvement, and moving on to the next. Healing products take time, and it takes time to rebuild strength and moisture and whatever else your hair is lacking back into your hair. I hope that helps. If you have any more specific questions, leave them in the comments.